In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Appwrite dark mode. If you spend a lot of time in the Appwrite console, switching to a darker theme can reduce eye strain, improve focus, and even save a bit of battery on OLED screens. This is a quick built-in toggle, so there's no need to install anything or dig through complicated settings. Let's walk through it together clearly and at a calm pace. First, open your Appwrite console in your browser and head to the Organization section. You'll find organizations in the left-hand navigation, and it's a great neutral place to start because it loads quickly and looks the same across accounts. You don't need to change any project level settings for this. The theme is a console preference. Give the page a second to finish loading so the header and top right controls render fully. Now, look toward the top right corner of the console for your profile icon. Depending on your account, this might be your avatar, your initials inside a small circle, or a generic user icon. Click it once to open a compact menu. This is the quick access area where Appwrite places account actions and appearance controls. If your browser window is very narrow, the icon may collapse into a smaller header, so maximizing the window or zooming out slightly can make it easier to spot. Inside that profile menu, find the night or moon icon. That's the dark mode switch. Click the icon and the console theme will change immediately, no reload required. You should notice the background, panels, and typography shift to darker tones while preserving contrast and readability. This toggle is reversible, so if you want to switch back to light mode later, click the same icon again. In most cases, Appwrite remembers your choice on that browser, so the next time you return, it should keep your preferred theme without any extra steps. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you don't see the moon icon right away, make sure the profile menu is fully open and that you're on a current version of the console UI. Sometimes refreshing the page helps. Keep in mind that this setting affects the Appwrite console interface itself. Your projects and applications won't change their user-facing themes unless you've implemented them separately. And that's it. You went to Organizations, opened your profile menu, and tapped the night icon to enable dark mode. Enjoy a more comfortable, low-glare workspace, and feel free to switch modes anytime based on your environment. Thanks for watching, and happy building.